I think there must be something wrong with me, Linus. The Olympics are coming, but I'm not happy. I don't feel the way I'm supposed to feel. I just don't understand the Olympics, I guess. I like competing, but I'm still not happy.
How can you mess up on a brilliant time like this, Charlie Brown?
You're starting to sound like Lucy again.
Good grief. Let's go work out.
And puff up.
This is going to be the greatest day of your life.
It is? 1, 2, 3. 1,
You can
2,
do
3.
it. Suck it up, Charlie Brown.
Wah-ah-ah.
Hey there.
Whee!
Let's do it, Charlie Brown. It's hero time.
Oh, I can't believe it.
You won. You won. Congratulations.
I didn't think I could do it. Whew.